Hi guys, I'm Makai Lao Shi. I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching English for more than 20 years. And now I'm going to teach you. Today we're going to learn head start and some other vocabulary. Let's look at the vocabulary before we begin the lesson. Head start. Let's try my Chinese. 领先发动，比别人开始的早。A lead, a 20-meter lead, a 30-second lead. It's all really the same. It's 领先20米，领先30秒。To be leading or to be in the lead, 处有领先地位。To catch up with or to catch up to, 追赶。To gain on somebody, 赶上了。Level, even or neck and neck means 在同一个位置。齐头并进。Crikey. Overtake, 领先于。And fall behind, 落后于。Let's go to the lesson. Oh, a race. Good. I love races. Look at that. A red runner is racing against a blue runner. Crikey, who would have thought? Okay, who's going to win? I don't know. I really don't know. Let's find out. Okay, on your marks, get set, go. Oh, look at that. The red runner immediately went to a 20-meter lead, well in front of the blue runner. He has a 20-meter head start. The blue runner is not doing very well. The red runner has a 20-meter head start over the blue runner. My, that red runner's pretty good, but I think he started early. He started before the blue runner. Now, 20 meters, we do not say a 20 meters head start, because 20 meter here is an adjective. Adjective plus noun. Do not make adjectives plural. We don't say 20 beautifuls girls. We don't say a 6-year-old girl. And we don't say a shoes shop either. That's not good English. Do not make your adjectives plural, please. Anyway, let's get back to the race. Oh, okay, instead of talking about distance, we can talk about time. Maybe the red runner is 10 seconds in front. So we say he has a 10-second head start over the blue runner. My, 3 days? That guy's good. Oh, what? 6 weeks? He has a 6-week head start. 100 years? He has a 100-year... Okay, what's happening now? The blue runner is catching up to the red runner. That's what it looks like to me. He's gaining on him. Yep, the blue runner is gaining on the red runner. He's catching up to the red runner. He seems to be slowing down. They both seem to be going slowly. Has he caught up yet? No, he hasn't. Oh, but he's still going. He will not give up. 加油! Keep going, blue guy. Oh, what's happened now? The blue runner has caught up with the red runner. This is great. Now they are level. They are even. That means they're running at the same speed. Neither one is winning yet. The blue runner is keeping up with the red runner. They are neck and neck. Oh, look at this. The blue runner is pulling ahead. He is overtaking the red runner. Oh, I can't believe it. The blue runner is pulling ahead. The red runner is falling behind. The blue runner is going to win. Yep, the blue runner has won. The red runner had a big head start, but the blue runner came from behind and won the race. That was a good race, guys.